S&P. What an annoying day today, by the way. I know I was in the NASDAQ today, but man. Hang on, let's go back. So we had some news, right? Some letters. They came out. Sold off, came up. The news. Went back and forth, kind of grinding our way back up. Not quite all-time highs, but as of now, just looks like that was all the dip you're going to get. So for now, continue that grind up. As far as the expected move, here we are, just like we were in Sunday. Now, as far as the NASDAQ goes, this is what's annoying, is I was short this. Now, nailed the entry. It was great. Went short the NASDAQ contracts like I said I would last night. Sold off. However, I wasn't paying attention, did not have my stop. Like, as it came down here, my stop was still up here. So, yeah, it tagged out later. Still made a decent chunk of money. Could have almost doubled. Had I just, picture perfect, ran it right to the peak. A little annoying there, but now we're rocking all-time highs here in just a little bit. By morning, we will be. Equities just won't break down. Buy every dip. I know there's a lot of bears out there. I was bearish, what was it, last week or the week before? Ask me how it went. I could tell you. I would have more money had I been in a coma and paid for the hospital stay. Yeah. Still wasn't good. Right now, election year, it kind of just looks like we're just back on that grind up. That's that. As far as, I will say there's some interesting stuff that's happened. Now, there's the real world, then there's the stock world. And a lot of people get those confused. They think they're the same thing, but they're not. I will say real world, I'm starting to do a little bit more research as far as like recession goes. It doesn't change up how I trade or anything. Stocks will just do what stocks do. But I think real world people will start to feel it. And that does change how people are emotionally, which can affect trading and investing. So I don't know if I'll have any videos coming out about that, but there was some interesting stuff that happened today. So, I don't know. How you guys feeling? You guys feeling like you're just less rich, more poor every day? Is it, anybody else feel like that or what? Bought gold today on the dip. What do you think gold will do? Gold just keeps going up. And I don't know if that's a red flag. I don't know what that is. Let's finish up these futures real quick. Qs still actually have plenty of room. Actually, I don't know why I keep saying actually. We broke that to the downside, continued south. This might be your dip buy opportunity for the Russell. I would take the long play here. Breaking that zone, I'd have to be out of it. Still plenty of room both to the up and downside. Stuff costs more, but accounts are looking good, so not sure what to think. Is it everyone's account, though? So I warning. So I do a lot of real estate, too. And I had other bigger agents call me today. Big agents. In my area. Now, there's a lot of ego involved in real estate. And you don't typically call another agent and say, what's going on? What's your opinion? You have your friends and everything. I've never talked to these agents before. I know who they are just for sheer volume. And they called me today asking what's up, which I thought was very odd. And they had some pretty popular listings, 0 showings. 2 agents did this, not even connected. I don't know if these guys even know each other. So I thought the timing of that was very weird. And real estate slowed down very quickly. So that kind of got the wheels turning. Just forewarning, is that why are we so chill right now? Is there just an excessive amount of let's bunker down for a little bit? Is it just I don't want to sell my 3% house and pay 7%, and they're just hanging on? There's no need to move. It's like they don't need to get the new iPhone. Phoenix real estate is strong. Rental's strong as well. Okay. Texas is slowing. Trillions printed, planned currency, and middle class destruction. I'm 100% on board with that. Commodities and crypto. Let's go. Until AI takes it over, I agree. Um, hmm. Anyway, that's what got the wheels turning. So if you have any opinion on that, let me know in the comments down below. It's the reason why I don't do real estate YouTube videos like some of these other YouTubers. I just don't think you can do that. Like I know about my area, and then you guys just told me your area is strong. You're another one slowing down. I just couldn't confidently speak to the United States about real estate, let alone someone from another country. So that's why I don't. But if you have an opinion, let's do this.